you know that some customers just is new to this project, and also some customers want to do some experiment. Yeah, so the big machines is very not suitable for them.
Yeah, so you have 1 ton machine.
Yeah, the 1 ton machine is also a little big. So we have the more smaller system.
This is smaller than 1 ton. What's the capacity of this two sets?
This is the 500 kilogram pyrolysis machine, and this is the 500 kilogram distillation machine. Yes, and you can have a look of our this system. It's very small, but it also includes all the necessary parts.
Okay.
The condensers, the reactors. This is the catalyst. Yeah, this is the reactor of the small distillation machine, and this is the condensers.
Condensers, a small condenser.
Yeah, this is a more small condenser.
Okay, very good. So this is also very easy to deliver, right?
Yeah, and it don't need the installation totally.
Okay.
When our customers get them, they can use it as soon as they get them.
Okay.